Okay, so now in this video we will allow this main camera to follow the player around the environment. So for that, in the scripts folder, let's go inside the player UI and health, and in here we will create a C# script by the name of Minimap script. Then click on Minimap camera and drag and drop the script right here. Then let's open this up, remove this start and update method, and let's add a reference to the player game object. Okay, so we will say public transform, name this as player. Then down below we will create a late update method or function, and in here we will create a vector3 by the name of new position. This will be equals to player dot position. So whatever the player position x, y, z values is, that will be stored in this new position. Then as you know that we want to make the camera follow the player game object. Okay, but first of all we need to measure this whole distance, okay, which is from the minimap camera down to the player. So for that we will say new position dot y will be equals to transform dot position dot y. Okay, what this will do, that it will leave the camera as it is. You can see right here. Okay, if you don't type this, then the minimap camera will go inside the ground. Okay, it will not stay at the top. Okay, then what we want to do, we want the minimap camera to follow the player. So for that we will say transform dot position, which is the minimap camera position, and it will be equals to the new position. Okay, so now whatever the player position is, it will be equals to the main camera position, and the main camera position will be simply following the player. So if we save the game, I mean save the script, okay, and then before playing the game, make sure that you added the player game object right here in this reference. Okay, on the minimap camera, drag and drop the player and just simply play the game. Then you will notice that now the minimap camera will follow the player. As you can see, now the minimap camera is moving with the player. Okay, and as you can see, it looks good like this. Okay, but if you want the main camera to rotate towards wherever the player is rotating, we can do that as well, but that will be in the next video.